Good evening to you all. Reverend Dr. Rajesh Singh Elias, Reverend Dr. Solomon Rongpi, Reverend Athang Ingma Priming Song, Mr. Boring Tiso, Reverend Lalsang Luama, Mr. Prem Kumar Shankar, Dr. Delarsan Anal, Reverend Susil Daimari, Reverend Isak Basumatari, Mr. Mridul Barglari, Reverend Lian Minthang Vaipe, Reverend DC Haya Darne, to all the respected speakers of today's program. I take this opportunity to thank you all and to wish you a pre-Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart and a very Happy New Year to you all. Greetings from my end. The whole 2025 year was a year which had many of the opportunities for us, which includes an opportunities for you also. We expect in 2026, with the blessings of God, we have more opportunities where we take and see that you also move forward along with the rest of the nation. To be in this platform in this very day has been a blessing because of you all, and I expect that in the days to come we will have the same blessings. सभी को मेरा तरफ से a very Merry Christmas to you all. This Christmas pre-celebration, as far as I remember, 7 or 8 years back, if I'm not mistaken, we were always apart in the Don Bosco school campus where the pre-Christmas celebration used to be held. So prior to where we are now, at that time, since its inception, we were always apart on the celebration because हम लोग को पता है कि this is the only district in the whole state of Assam where we can call ourselves as a mini Northeast. And all the religion, we all find it in this district with all the tribes, and we feel ourselves very proud to call it as a mini Northeast. सभी को भी यहाँ में हमारा जैसे अनुभव है, सभी को भी ऐसे ही अनुभव होता होगा अगर हाफलॉन्ग का हम लोग वासी लोग हैं. कहीं भी अगर हम लोग जाएं, हमको बहुत अच्छा से पता चल जाता है कि the person next to me speaking is a Mizo, a person next to me speaking is Amar, a person next to me speaking is a Zemi, a person next to me speaking is a Kuki. So these are the dialects that we have been listening to, and these are the dialects that we have been born and brought up together. यही born and brought up together हुआ है बोल के ही we have in the council when we first took the decision कि हमारा शिफ्ट शेड्यूल होना चाहिए ये सभी का मदद से ही 6 शेड्यूल हुआ है और इसी 6 शेड्यूल में हम सब एक साथ इकट्ठा यहाँ रह के वी आर एंजॉइंग द प्रिविलेजेस। हमारा जितना भी यहाँ यंगर जनरेशन है, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी टफ कंपटीशन फॉर द यंगर जनरेशन, क्योंकि हम ये नहीं बोल रहा है लेकिन जिंदगी ही आपको टफ कंपटीशन देने वाला है, बिकॉज द पॉपुलेशन इज बीइंग सो इंक्रीजिंग सो मच और एजुकेशन हैज कम par excellence everywhere throughout the world और हम लोग को भी throughout the world में ही compete करना है। मेरा यही एक सजेशन है और यही एक बात से हम लोग बहुत अंदर में रह सकता है, हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट बहुत ही अंदर है, लेकिन आज का दिन में हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हम लोग नहीं बोल सकता है अंदर में है, क्योंकि the rail also passes through this and the national highway also passes through this. इसलिए हमारा map in the whole of India is well recognized, being both as a national highway as well as the our broad gauges. This signifies that the communication is very nearby. And throughout the world, in our fingertips, we have with ourselves known as Google Baba, and that Google Baba can give us whatever is required to us. मेरा यही सपना है कि जितना भी हमारा यहाँ का बच्चा लोग है, बाहर जाके not only in India but outside India also, we have to keep our fit and हम लोग को बोलना है कि हम लोग वहाँ में भी काबिल है। आप लोग को बहुत सारा सीनियर्स, हमारा से भी बहुत सारा सीनियर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रिविलेज ऑफ द स्कूल हम लोग जो मिला है, वही स्कूल का प्रिविलेज के हिसाब से देयर आर मेनी सीनियर्स हु आर पोस्टेड आउटसाइड। हमारा यहाँ मैकबेथ का क्लासमेट्स लोग बहुत ही आउटसाइड में है। More to that also, seniors लोग बहुत outside from Haflong, which they have already settled in outside India. Our place is in India, we know. लेकिन जब हमारा opportunities आता है, we should spread our wings and we should fly and we should soar high up so that we know that we will be able to catch up with others. इसलिए being a pre-Christmas celebration, every day I don't meet you all. I just wanted to wish you that the celebration will go on. The year after year it will come. But somewhere down the line, if you think that we are capable to help you, we are always there to help you. In India and in outside, if you want to go outside and see the world with your own eyes, and contribute to our place again, you all are almost welcome. My best wishes to the youngsters, because youngsters का generation है अभी, and this generation, in the youngster generation, you will have to fight with the other people, not in terms of fighting, but in terms of fighting with their education and in terms of fighting with the job opportunities. In being born as an ST, being here as an ST, we have the privilege, and with this privilege, we think that we will be able to capitulate out elsewhere too. But when it comes to all over India, we are same, born and brought up as an ST, and the heart also is same, broad and liberal always. I will not take much of your time. It's a celebration time. Would like to listen more to the carols and then to more of the choirs that you all have arranged it. कोशिश यही करेगा कि आप सबका साथ में सुने, और आप सबको देख के ऐसे लगा कि जब हम लोग ने एक choral competition start किया है, we thought that the competition of the choral among the youngsters is a communication with us through music, and through this music, let the spirit of Christmas remain forever. Thank you so much.